Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to buy this Taiwan Boba milk tea box. So got this from Costco the other day. Costs like about, I guess $15 to $17. Actually 15, it costs about $15. So right in here, when my nephew tried it the other day, it's like the same taste like that people drink in Taiwan. Same taste as the milk tea like Coco's or Aishin or Usherlan. And here are the flavors. So it's got the classic milk tea with the brown sugar boba, then the taro milk tea with the brown sugar boba as well, then the creme brulee milk tea with caramel boba, and then the passion fruit pineapple green tea with fruity boba. I'm not a big fan of the passion fruit tea, but the passion fruit tea was really good. Same thing as the original milk tea as well, right at the top. Today I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna open this up, and this is like what comes inside usually. I'm gonna take the creme brulee today. The creme brulee with the caramel boba right here. There we go. This is what it looks like. Okay, so here are the straws right inside the box. And then here's the original milk tea with the brown sugar boba. Then the taro milk tea right here. Then the creme brulee milk tea. And then the passion fruit. Here's also the passion fruit tea with the rainbow boba, the fruity boba. All right, so there you go. All right, so I'll do what I just did. I just cut half of this little bag, and then I'm gonna heat this here for 40. I'm gonna heat this for 40 seconds in the microwave. Okay, so I just finished heating this in the microwave. So for good chewy boba, I just heated this boba for 40 seconds. And the next thing, I'm gonna put 4 ounces of hot water into this cup. All right, everyone, so I just added 4 ounces of hot boiling water. So I'm gonna mix in together the caramel boba and then the creme brulee milk tea mix. All right, so now I just added in the creme brulee milk tea mix and then the caramel boba inside. So now I'm gonna stir this all together. Okay, and then after I'm done stirring it, I'll add another 4 ounces of hot water again, and then they'll be ready to be served. All right, everyone, I just added 4 more ounces of the hot water. So now I just finished stirring everything already too. Now here's the straw, now it's ready to be served. Ready to go. It's the best, baby! The best, baby! Really, it's the best in Toledo, baby! Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.